Hello friends, today we're going to unbox and have a chat about the Surface Pro 9. The Surface Pro 9 is a versatile, adaptable and super powerful 2-in-1 device that's optimized for Windows 11. The iconic Surface Pro kickstand lets you use your device at any angle, whether you're using it as a tablet or as a laptop. This helps you work the way that you want, wherever you want. Whether you're at a desk, on a plane, on a train, or working out of a cafe, this device is designed to work on the go with you so you can get your stuff done. Let's take a closer look. Check out this new unboxing experience that is designed for sustainability. Lift the lid and you're instantly met with the beautiful aluminium of this device. There is a tab to easily lift the device out of the box, and on the front it instantly directs you to some of the key callouts like the Windows Hello camera, the microphone placement, all of the available ports and where the power and volume buttons are. The Surface Pro 9 is designed to keep you productive. On the side we have 2 USB-C ports which let you easily use or charge accessories, dock to high-powered displays, or transfer large creative files with ease. And like the many generations of Surface Pro that have come before it, the Surface Signature keyboard allows you to transform the Surface Pro 9 from a tablet into a laptop. It has a full mechanical key set, fast and fluid typing, a large glass trackpad for precise navigation, and my personal favourite addition has to be the place to house and charge your Slim Pen 2, so it's always ready for whenever creativity strikes. The Pixel Sense Flow Touch display is fused with optical bonding, which lets the ink flow seamlessly from your Slim Pen 2 onto the screen. And haptic feedback in the pen emulates that feeling of pen on paper or paint on a canvas, so you can create in the way that feels most natural to you. You can even program the top button of the pen to launch you into whatever your favourite app of choice is. I've chosen mine to open sticky notes with a single click, OneNote with a double click, or press and hold to take a screenshot. And when you want to move from using your device as a laptop, you can easily remove the Surface Signature keyboard to use your device as a tablet. My favourite part of this is that Windows 11 just knows. It has mode detection built in, so when you take the keyboard off, the start menu icons will move slightly further apart, so it's easier to navigate your device with touch. The immersive, virtually edge-to-edge 13-inch display has a 3:2 aspect ratio. This means that you get approximately 18% more vertical screen real estate than most other laptops, which helps you to see more of your Word document or your web page to help you be more productive. The Surface Pro 9 also has not one but 2 cameras. The front-facing camera has a 1080p Full HD video which supports Windows Hello facial recognition, and the 10 megapixel rear-facing auto-focusing camera with 1080p HD and 4K video. The rear-facing camera was something that I used all the time when I was at university to record my lectures straight into OneNote while I was taking notes, because I'm sure we've all been there where we've taken notes and then gone to read them back a month or so later and they make absolutely no sense. So I was able to take notes, record my lecture, all from the one device. There are now even more ways to personalize your own Surface Pro 9 experience, whether that's the accessories you choose to pair it with, the spec configurations that are available, or the color that you choose to best suit you. The Surface Pro 9 is now available in 2 different ways, so you can choose the device that best suits your needs. There's a 12th gen Intel model and the Microsoft SQ3 model with 5G. Everything that I've said up until this point applies to both versions of Surface Pro 9, but let's take a closer look at where each version of the Surface Pro 9 shines. Surface Pro 9 with Intel is built on the Intel Evo platform with 12th gen Intel Core processors, delivering blazing fast pro performance to power through local games, creative apps, or stay on top of work with professional software. This device has 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports and up to 15.5 hours of battery life, which is also supported by fast charging. With fast charging, you can reach 50% of your device's battery life in just half an hour. That's half and half. How good is that? The Surface Pro 9 is meticulously crafted with the highest grade aluminium to achieve these beautiful anodized colors. As you can see, Surface Pro 9 welcomes the sapphire and forest colors to join the much loved platinum and graphite. And these new colors are also coming through to the Surface Signature keyboard. So you can opt for matching colors or a bit of a mix and match to best suit your own style. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs to stay connected, let me introduce you to the Surface Pro 9 with 5G and Microsoft SQ3 NPU. This is the latest generation Microsoft processor that is built in partnership with Qualcomm. The battery life on Surface Pro 9 with 5G is up to 19 hours and is also supported by fast charging. The AI features of the NPU-based processor will take your video calling experience to the next level, with voice focus, background blur, eye contact, and auto framing. While the Surface Pro 9 with 5G is only available in Platinum, you can still personalize your experience to best suit your style with different colors of the Surface Signature keyboard. This year, Microsoft is celebrating 10 years of Surface. And since Surface Pro's inception 10 years ago, it's always been focused on innovating on form factors, premium and thoughtful design, as well as ways to offer an optimized experience for Windows and Microsoft 365. Thank you so much for joining me to explore and take a closer look at the Surface Pro 9.